Welcome to Wrexham Townes, Chester's newest modern townhome community. Perfectly placed between everyday convenience, outdoor adventure, and the warm small town charm that makes Chester, Virginia such a special place to call home. I'm Tuck, and I can't wait to show you around. Let's dive in and explore everything Wrexham Townes and Chester have to offer. Start your day with a quick stop at First Watch for breakfast or fuel up at Sheetz on your way to work. If you have to run errands, you're minutes from Walmart Supercenter, Target, Kroger, Lidl, and Chesterfield Meadows Shopping Center, making it easy to check off every item on your list without ever straying far from home. Treat yourself to local favorites like El Patron, Riptide Seafood Restaurant, or grab a sweet scoop at Brewster's Ice Cream, all just around the corner. Love the outdoors? You're going to feel right at home here. Just a short drive away, Pocahontas State Park offers miles of hiking and biking trails, paddleboarding, fishing, and the scenic beauty of Beaver Lake Dam. Cool off at the Pocahontas State Park Aquatic Center or spend the day relaxing by the water at Lake Cheston. Prefer to have something a little more active? Head to American Family Fitness or bring the kids for a full day of fun at Ironbridge Sports Park, where you'll find go-karts, a driving range, mini golf, and more. And for the entertainers and music lovers, summer nights come alive at the local amphitheater, where outdoor concerts and community events bring everyone together. Families love Chester, and it's easy to see why. Take the kids to play at Going Park or Harry G. Daniel Park at Ironbridge. Enjoy seasonal events at the Chesterfield County Fairgrounds or catch a movie and meal experience at Cinema Cafe. Need top-tier care? Chippenham Hospital is just a short drive away, giving you peace of mind that exceptional health care is always within reach. Here, everything you need from recreation to essentials to weekend fun is just minutes from your front door. And of course, you'll love the homes themselves. At Wrexham Townes, enjoy modern, low-maintenance living with the style, comfort, and convenience you've been looking for. Thoughtfully designed layouts, beautiful finishes, and open living areas give you room to relax, entertain, and truly feel at home. Host friends and family over for the holidays or have everyone over for the big game in your spacious kitchen that naturally flows into your living and dining room. With just under 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and sizable backyards, everyone will have the space and freedom to spread out. Whether you're just starting out, making life easier, or looking for a fresh, modern space closer to everything Chester has to offer, Wrexham Townes gives you the best of both worlds. Wrexham Townes isn't just a place to live, it's a place to thrive, a place to explore, and a place to call home. Ready to learn more? Take the next step and schedule your visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home to Wrexham Townes.